Hello, I am Hassan Habib, Director of the School of Planning at Dalhousie University. I am here to tell you why you may consider studying planning, what we offer at the School of Planning, and also why planning is an exciting career option. Let's think about yourself. You are living in a city or a town or rural community. You know your roads, your shopping mall to explore, parks and playgrounds, and your neighborhood. We need to design it, plan for it. Planning is a profession that helps communities to plan forms and functions of these spaces to improve your quality of life. Planning, often referred as urban planning or city and regional planning, and works for the welfare of the people and help communities to create efficient, effective, attractive, resilient, and enjoyable places for present and future generations. Professional planners work with the community and civic leaders to develop shared vision for the community. They also do research, do design, and help craft programs so that they can enable changes in the urban spaces, rural communities, and different ways, laws, and policies so that we have a better place to live, work, and play. The Dalhousie School of Planning offers 4-year planning degrees at the undergraduate level. After completing your degree, you can be eligible to be a registered professional planner. Our planning programs are accredited by the Professional Standard Board and Canadian Institute of Planners. We have quite a wide range of degree offering within our 4-year program. We at least have 2 major streams for 4-year degree with honors. First, urban design and planning, and second, environmental planning. We also carefully developed a curriculum so that we can create a planner with multiple types of skills and find different interests to pursue within the university. We have additional major and minor options within our Bachelor of Community Design program. For example, double major with sustainability, minor in geography. We also offer certificate courses in combination with our program, certificate in GIS, Geographic Information System, or heritage planning. We have developed a unique curriculum for our 4-year degree. In the first year, you will learn about foundational courses about planning. In the year 2, you will learn about data and analytics. In the 3rd year, you'll be focusing on core planning courses. And in the 4th year, it's about practice, studios, and also a thesis within the honors program. Our undergraduate program offers a unique opportunity in the 4th year. You engaged in a studio in which you learn how to apply all theories that you have learned in different years. At the same time, you are offered an internship program in which you will be working for a public agency or a consulting firm. The internship program is interesting because you can closely work with professional planners and log some of your experiences, but most importantly, you make contacts and networks with professional planners. Dalhousie School of Planning offers you most of the opportunity to learn through our planning courses what you want to be as a planner, but at the same time offering you opportunity to explore other programs and courses offered by the university so that you enhance that multidisciplinary nature and outlook to become a good planner. We are very proud that we are a multidisciplinary school. Most of our faculty members have degrees in other disciplines, for example, civil engineering, architecture, landscape architecture, geography, and they also bring those experiences both in teaching and research. We have expertise of most of the elements that planning students needs to know within their program. For example, housing, transportation, environmental planning, urban design, climate change, and many more. Another key area in which we are very proud of that we often engage our professional planners in the community in teaching our courses. In our school, most faculty members have an active research agenda and attract undergraduate and graduate students as research assistant to participate in contemporary research in planning field. We are very fortunate that School of Planning is located in the newly built Idea building. We have new studios for fourth year students, first and third year students, and all the graduate programs. We have multiple learning commons where students can interact with each other. Peer learning is very important in planning education. In certain way, in the School of Planning undergraduate program, we try to build a community within your peers as well as with faculty members and staff. We have multiple types of activities, outreach program, for example, Plan Out Loud, in which we showcase your accomplishment in the entire year to practicing planners as well as many other interested stakeholders. We also have multiple lab facilities. For example, Dalhousie Transportation Collaboratory, in which you have like visualization equipment, you have data collection equipment, also virtual reality environment for urban planning exercises. One of the most unique feature about School of Planning undergraduate program is that you engage in experiential learning. We offer in almost all courses a way to engage with real-world example. But at the same time, we have multiple course offerings such as maritime field study, international field study, where you can engage and pursue your own interest in one of the planning field. Our experiential learning activities also include hands-on training. Particularly, we emphasize on Geographic Information System, GIS. This is one of the most growing area in planning field. You will also be involved in various type of data collection, transportation data analysis, as well as visualization technique through our urban design training programs. Our faculty members introduce training of, say, Adobe Creative Suites, videography in different classes, and also use of multiple media as most of our technologies are evolving. Planners may be employed in all sectors, public, private, and non-profit. They can be transportation planner, community development planner, neighborhood planner, accessibility planner, climate change adaptation analyst. In recent years, most of our graduating students enjoyed near full employment. Some of our graduates also pursue higher studies, such as master's and PhD in planning, geography, landscape architecture, environmental sciences, real estate, or transportation engineering. Our faculty members and students are involved in innovative, impactful, and timely research. For example, right now, a group of our faculty members and students are involved in COVID-19 and urban planning research. They are trying to find solutions for how to change our transportation systems, how to change our urban systems, how to plan differently for each activity centers people are engaged with. Our students and faculty members are also engaged in projects related with racial injustices, health impacts, and affordable housing. In certain way, our undergraduate students get exposure to these kind of timely and innovative analytical techniques and exploration to help communities in difficult times. With our research outcomes, teaching effectiveness, and engagement with the community, we are leading in various fields of planning. In the last couple of years, our School of Planning has become one of the premier planning schools in Canada. We have contributed in many ways through our research, teaching effectiveness, and partnership with local, national organizations. Our students were part of this achievement, and we would like to continue that pursuit to foster and inspire planners to plan for resilient, equitable, and smart communities. Planners are in a way change agent. If you believe in changing something in the physical world and also improve people's quality of life, you are passionate about your environment, the way you interact with spaces, the places you go, the way you move, this is the place you to learn to design the cities for the future. That is why we believe that you should consider planning as a career and also Dalhousie School of Planning as your institution.